Good evening, traders. August 25, 2022. Hope you had a great day today and a beautiful evening. SPS Master here for you, trying to help you out to become a better traders. Another difficult day to trade today. We were on a good, decent range, but choppy day most of the day. In the last 45 minutes, we have an important breakout, a nice short squeeze that put us almost in the 4202, 4200 levels. So let's see what we have in terms of the market profile to see where our levels are for tomorrow, the overnight, and some trade ideas for you tomorrow for Lotto Friday. We did some good trades today. Actually, in the morning, most of the afternoon was a little bit slower because of the choppiness that we had. That I'll explain a little bit. You know what? The 1K to 10K challenge has been doing great. We are almost most of us 50% up on our port, like $1,500 for 4 days. Not bad. As I explained to them, this is a marathon, not a race. The most important thing is that the members are learning how to manage the risk, how to grow a small account, and how to be patient and execute a trade with the adequate stop losses, scaling out of trades, waiting for the right moment to take profits as well, and to move your stops accordingly in order to protect profits and do not let green trades go to red. So if you're interested, you can jump in any day, any moment. We are trading live every day, the full session. So all the information is in my Twitter account and also at SPS Master in Twitter, Facebook, SPS Master Trading, and also here on the YouTube channel. Information below this video, you have all the information that you need to get to my Discord and the appropriate links to get involved in our VIP room and participate in this exciting challenge that we're having. So let's go to market profile to see where the levels are and some trade ideas that I have for tomorrow. Lotto Friday tomorrow. So let's go to it. All right, so we are here right now. As I explained, we opened today around practically in yesterday highs here at 41.58. We had a big gap up on the overnight session, but by the time that the bell rang, we already filled that gap, and we were exactly where we started yesterday, where we finished yesterday. So we had a little bit of retracements towards the more or less 41, 47 level, and from there we continue going up. Important thing to always be watching is the initial balance, which is the first hour of trading, which periods A and B. As you can see, A and B period, the B period, the second half hour, close above the first one, and that gave us an indication since the beginning of the session that this could be a but if not a trend update, but at least a day that we could close above the previous high, and that's exactly what happened at the final 30-45 minutes of the session. We finally broke the around 30 minutes before the close. We broke the initial balance, and then we just squeezed all the way up to 4202. So what I was saying, that it was difficult because most of the day we just were here in this area, in this prominent area of actually where the point of control was, a good node, volume node here. that we spent a lot of periods in this area, so this area was very complicated to trade until we finally break up. For tonight, what I'm watching obviously is the previous high from today, which is 4202. There, and also there is a lot of there's a spike here, single prints, a lot of shorts trap in this area. So when we opened today, we started to feel a little bit part of that, but we rejected it. So now we are in the 4200 level. I was mentioning Twitter that I posted a little bit earlier that if we break 4202, very likely to see 4211, which is important pivot where we've been many times in the past, and from there we have the previous week low, which is at 4220. So those levels are going to be important to watch, and most importantly see how the buyers, the longs defend this area of single prints here. So we have to be careful. I mean, probably we're gonna have a choppy session tomorrow. Everything is just waiting for the macroeconomic news that we're gonna have tomorrow. So there is some expectation. We're also approaching to the end of the month. It's another. Usually we have the what is called the window dressing, right? That market tends to put chop in order to correct the balance sheets and the income statements and the bonus for the portfolio managers, right? So it's gonna be interesting to see what exactly. Obviously, right now the edge is to the downtrend. I mean, we might go, as I said, 2011, 2020, but we already very extended. The expected move was $82. We already broke that. Actually, the expected move for the week is all the way down here to 41.46. That is the upper level of expected move. We already broke it by far. We're almost in 2 sigma, 2 standard deviation. A move, which that will be around 41.28. That's 2 times $82 expected move that we have for the whole week. So we do have that possibility as well, and as I say, 42.28 is around this area here where the previous week low is. So right now probably what we might have, if we continue going up, we just have this area here as a potential upside, and obviously a lot of downside as well. So just be very careful if you're trading long. I will avoid being too aggressive in this area, and keep in mind that the cap, at least for this week, is limited towards that level 42.20, 42.28. All right, I have some good and interesting trade ideas for tomorrow, and we're gonna jump exactly to them. So the first one, we have a CLAR. This been on the radar and has been mentioned in the last week, I think. We mentioned this. We have a double inside day candle where I see an interesting potential. We have an important supply area here, so I'm leaning to a break to the downside. 2680, it will bring us the opportunity to go all the way down to 2450. So 2680, look for the break on that. First immediate target is the previous low, which is very close, 2670, but I think that could be reached very easily. And we have another demand area here around 2634. So first target 2634, and if we break 2608, we should go all the way down to the previous low, 2452. 1.70 average true range for this underline, so that will give us an opportunity to go to 2880. I mean, sorry, 27, 26, 2580, which is, yep, around this area. So at least 2490, 2485, it's viable on a break to the downside. So that I like that that risk reward range that we have here. CLAR. Next one, Anet. Anet also moves very nicely, usually and more on Friday. So we have here also a double inside candle. This one looks as well a little bit leaning to the short side. Break 125.58 will bring us the opportunity to go to the previous low 125.13, but we wouldn't be breaking this demand area here, and the next one is all the way down to 122 area. Average to range is about $332, so we close 126 minus 123 area, so it's around this area here. So we do have the opportunity to go at least to this previous low here of this candle. So first target, immediate target after the break, 125.16, and then a good opportunity to go all the way down to 122.90. On the other side, if we break to the upside, we have a straight shot to 129.18, which should make it also interesting. So both sides have a good risk reward. The next one is Dash. On Dash, we have also some consolidation of the previous today. In the previous 4 days, we have a demand zone here that if it breaks the inside candles around 65.88, we have room all the way up to 68.54 with a first stop around 66.61. To the downside, 63.42 will be the break, going directly to 62 and all the way down to 58. We have $4 average true range on the previous 10 days, so we do have a plus minus $4, which gives us the opportunity of 58 or 68, which are these two targets. So we have a very nice also risk reward opportunity for tomorrow with Dash as well. Let's see how it reacts. I'm leaning a little bit more to the upside in this one because of the stochastic that I see here, and also this hammer that we see, and we already broke and closed above the 4 EMA, so it seems that it's rejecting, and we're extended, right? We're very extended from the 50 and the 13 EMA, so leaning a little bit to the upside on this one. Next one, W. I've been chasing this one and I totally forgot it today. It was extended on the daily because of the big drop that we had the previous 3 days. It already closed that gap, not that gap, that extension, but it's still in an inside candle as well. So on a break of 57.88, we have room all the way up to 59.36. Next supply area is at 61.77. So we have $6 ATR, average true range of $6, which give us the opportunity to go all the way up here to 63. So this one to the upside looks very interesting. Might do it. I think that is a possibility, but also we have here a supply area that we haven't broken completely. So unfortunately for this to trigger the down alert, it will have to go all the way down first, all this. So I will try to catch the upside if we can. It looks that the upside is more viable, otherwise we're gonna have to wait all the way down here, already wasting like around $3 out of the 6, so it will give us almost 3 more. So but anyway, both levels you have to to take in consideration 54.34, room to 52.62. I'm leaning more to take it on the upside if it breaks 57.88 all the way to 61.77. Last but not least, Carnival Cruise CCL. Today we play RC Royal Caribbean in the challenge. We got a little bit of a profit, but these leisure underlines have been trending in the past 3 days, as you can see here. We have a straight uptrend here. I mean, actually very a parabolic move the previous 2 days, making like a reversal finally after a long period of downtrend. So it seems that it's breaking it. Now we see that we were just broke for the second time probably in the past 2 weeks. The 50 MA we close above it, so above it I see it very viable for the breakout, also inside candle with large range from the previous day. So 1069, that will be the trigger, looking for 1095, and then the other target that I have here is all the way up to 1140. To the downside, I don't see it very viable, but if it happens, the break is at 1022 and you have a limited target here at 993. But I will look more for the opportunity to go long in case that tomorrow this breaks up. So this is what I have for this week and tomorrow, guys. Hope you take advantage. Remember to play very carefully the Lotto Fridays. If you take 0 DTAs, don't put more than your maximum raise amount per play, so you don't have to worry about stop losses and you can let it run, right? Otherwise, if you over place an amount there, you're gonna be struggling with quick movements to the up and to the downside, and it's gonna be very difficult to manage your stop losses. So hope you have a great day tomorrow. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like my video if you are enjoying this type of ideas, as well my YouTube channel. And if you have a chance, and give us the opportunity to trade with you every day at the SPS Master VIP room in Discord. All the information below here on this video. Thank you very much. Have a great evening and see you next week. Adios.